environment has the ability to leave you grounded to your roots, if that makes sense. Like, you're stuck on the same energy, on the same frequency. Look it up if you want to, law of vibration, how everything in the universe works. But it has the ability to like keep you stuck with the same people, the same thoughts, and the same daily routines, and you're never gonna change it unless you change your environment. Let me give you an example. You know that feeling you get when you're about to go to like a new city or like a new country? You know that feeling of excitement you get from just knowing you're about to change your environment? That's exactly what I'm talking about. So once you change your environment, so many things will change. And I'm not saying, move out to a whole nother city right away, right? But take a trip to another city by yourself for a week, pick up a camera and just blog about whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be about cars. Blog about whatever you want. It could be about yourself, it could be about cars, it could be about life, finance, whatever you want, and watch how things are gonna change for you. It's so crazy. Like I said, I never thought I'd be in this position giving you guys advice. Never ever in my life thought I would be here, and something like this is such possible. But look where we're at now. So like I said, if you're anything like me, keep that in mind. And I'm telling you, the game is about to switch for you. This channel, like I said, it's mainly gonna be about me, driving cars and reviewing cars for you. But I'm also gonna be dropping game because, like I said, it's so important for me to stay to my roots and everything I've learned along the way, because I want people to succeed. Yes, I want you to like and subscribe to my channel, so I can get going with my stuff. But at the same time, I don't want to leave any of my subscribers or followers behind. Anybody that bumps into my channel, it's not an accident. It's meant to be. I am a strong believer in that. You're meant to see this video so you could upbring yourself and your life. So yeah, man, like I said, like, subscribe, share. I'm only getting started. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be skyrocketed from here, from and you guys are gonna make that happen. I'm positive you guys are gonna make that happen, man. I've been receiving so much love in here from you guys. It's crazy. I just started not even a month ago, and I could already see where everything's headed for you because of you guys. You guys were able to make this happen. All right, so keep me going, man. Driver AJ, keep Driver AJ going, man, and help me get through it, man. Appreciate you guys. Driver AJ signing out.